Hey, are you a brick and mortar small business owner, service-based business owner, service provider, or CEO that has expertise, experience, life skills that you want to package up into a coaching, consulting, or online education business? Hi, my name is Maria Fontana, and I'm your favorite intuitive business consultant and growth strategist. So I wanted to invite you in. If this sounds like you and you are ready to break the chains, break away from the brick and mortar, break away from being restricted by shutdowns and what's going on in the economy and all the other nonsense in the world, I want you to join me on my live workshop. I'm hosting a 5-day live workshop. Replays will be available where I'm going to be walking you through the exact steps I took to bring my brick and mortar business. I created a consulting business, brought my business online, and was able to break away from being chained to that business. So I am looking forward to connecting with you. Link below, link above, register. It's going to be better than the last 5 things you paid for. Can't wait to see you on the inside.